Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran. Visualforce Beyond Basics. Action for Lookup Dialog. What is Lookup Dialog? When you have a lookup field in a custom object or standard object, and if you use an input field in the Visualforce page, by default you'll get a search icon so that the user can search the account record, and they can change the lookup record. So that's what lookup dialog means. But normally, since it's a standard thing, really you can't do by standard way. You can't do anything after that lookup dialog value get changed. For example, when user changes an account in the opportunity, really you can't check if it's valid, or if what's that account details like that. Though that's not a standard way, but you can do you can add some action support so that you can do some actions on changing the value, or even by clicking. I mean, you can do the action either on clicking or after the user change the value. You can do anything, handle any action on any event. So let's go through the code directly. This is the class which does nothing. It has just one action method, change account, which will store the account name. If you want to show some other field, basically you want to assign the whole record. Since we need only the name, I got name like this. And then I have a page where I have an input field to display account ID. So since it's a lookup field, it standard way people normally use a search icon to search the record, and then they change the account. So when it gets changed, we are having an action support. On change, we are going to call an action method which is called a change account, which will actually change the account name. So then after this completes, we are rendering the account name section, which is nothing but an output text. So here we are displaying the account name, whatever we have changed here. So let's see in the screenshots. This is the page. We have a Smith Enterprise, and then we are going to change that to Tesco. And then when we changed it, it automatically changed in the account details section. Since this is a simple example, we are displaying only the name, but you could extend this to display any details, so that it could be used as a very modern way of displaying the details, rather than simply displaying whatever the account is pointed by the opportunity initially. So you could build a very dynamic page by incorporating action support to standard input fields. This is not only applicable for lookup fields. You can use this for any standard input fields to play with your action, and either display differently in the page, or you could validate and display error message. The limits are only sky, so you could do anything you want with these options. Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them, and if you want to notify about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.